story.
Dali.
Video.
About the three little pigs. The first pig built a house made of hay stock. The second little pig built a house made of wood. The third little pig built a house made of bricks. One day, what happened? The wolf came and he came knocking on the door. Paano yung knock? Knock. Little pig, let me. And then the pig said, No, not in my. And then the wolf said, Then I'll huff and I'll blow your house. And then he started blowing the house. Paano yung blow? And then the house fell down. And so the first pig went. He went running to the house made of wood. And then the wolf came. Paano yung knock? Little pig, let me. And then the wolf said, and the pig said, No more putok. And then the pig said, No, not in our. And then the wolf said, Then I'll huff and I'll blow your house. And then he started blowing the house made of wood. Paano yung blow? And the two little pigs went running. Run. They went to the house made of bricks. And then the wolf came. He came knocking on the door. Paano yung knock? Little pigs, let me. And then the pig said, No, not in our. And then the wolf said, Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house. No. And I'll blow your house.
Wait.
And I'll blow your house.
Okay.
And then he started blowing the house. Paano yung blow? Blow muna. Not yet.
Finish na, malapit na.
And then the wolf got tired. And the three little pigs were very happy. Paano yung happy? Yay! The end. Finish.
When is your birthday? October?
Very
What's your
good.
name?
My name is Rain Montserrat Avi.
Girl.
This girl is on! Hindi! This girl is on!
Paano mag-cough?
Paano mag-sneeze? Paano mag-laugh?
Para matulog si Lolo. Ano sabi ni Lolo? Ano sabi?
Sabi ni Lolo mag-sleep.
Ano sabi?
Ginagawa niya.
Yay! Palakpakan si Baby Ray!
Paano mag-bow? Bow.
Yeah!
Baba?
Yes.